Good morning, my friends. Welcome back to the channel. So, here we go again. Bit cold this morning, didn't want to start. Old crusty. We're in the grey Skyline. It's Saturday, garage is open. We're going up the garage. Today I'm going to primarily focus on the blue one because that one's going in for a tune, like a full map on the 20th of March. What are we on now? Now it's the 4th, so we got a few weeks, but obviously one day a week only open at the garage, so we got 3 days basically. So we'll go up there and do this. We've got stuff to do on the grey one as well. Not sure if I'm going to put it in the same video or make 2 separate videos, but you shall see when you just click on the channel and you see it. Anyway, let's get up there and do some stuff. We got wideband gauges and we can't do the air temp sensor. We found out last time it's too big for the hole. It's too small for the hole, sorry. So yeah, wideband, air and fuel ratio going from the exhaust, a wire going into next to the ECU. I mean, I might connect the ECU to the cable, but don't like wiring into ECUs and stuff, so we'll leave that for the tuner maybe. But then just get the gauge mounted. Got a little gauge mount. I'm just gonna put it in the glove box because I'm not a fan of like gauges going up here and like all over the place, or in the dash like here. Like obviously this is gone on my other one, but I've got a double din to go in there as you've seen. So I'm just gonna put it in the glove box mounted so it don't flop around everywhere. But yeah, that's the plan. Let's get up there. Ciao. Okay, we're gonna abandon this one here for a bit and we're gonna do the blue one. Once that one's finished, we'll crack on with this bad boy. Okay boys, right, the blue one we're starting with. Got some bits. Got this. We need this because I've removed my catch can for the minute because I want to get a better one. That one I had broke and an eBay job. This at the minute, this is a PCV blocking valve, blanking valve, whatever you want to call it. This just basically vents to atmosphere, so I'm going to remove that, block that for the minute. That'll do. Later on I'll get a catch can rigged up, and also we bought, well I say we, obviously I bought an air temp sensor, part number if you need it. That goes into this bung here and then goes to the ECU, so when we get dynoed March the 20th, we know what the air temps are. And also we've got an AFR gauge which is in the boot, which is obviously air fuel ratio, which is important when you're doing tuning stuff. Take the O2 sensor out, put the wideband in, put all the wire in through into the ECU, and a gauge I'll mount in the glove box. I've got a little mount for it, but that's the jobs on the blue one. Well, I must say, this is a nice little bit of kit this. Where's it from? Superformer. So yeah, you get the stock rubber and a little blanking thing. I'll link it in the description anyway where I got it from, if you ever want to block off your PCV valve. Yeah, let's wang it on, see how it looks. Gosh, pretty bit of engine bling as well, isn't it? Rather than having a hole there, or just a tube going out. Obviously you only get the one. This will be my catch can one, I think, rather than having 2, just have the one, I don't know. But yeah, I'll leave that just yield electrical tape for the minute. Temp sensor. Probably one of the easiest installs ever. Don't ever bother focusing then. Screw them in. That's the easy part. A bit of it. Oh, I do, it doesn't fit. That's a right result, that is. Just put the wrong size bung in it. God's sake. Okay, that's a big fat fail. Maybe you can get a reducer, like an adapter. But Fabricator Man put that bung hole in it. Bung hole, which is too big for this, so we'll pass for that and let the tuner sort it out. Right, I bought the same wipers as I did for the grey one because they seem to work pretty good and they don't squeak on this car, which is a nice plus. Right, it's been a mission. We have wideband in, going through to the firewall. We now have interior door handles. We can get out of the car when we're in it. Wideband goes straight through the ears and get wired in the ECU, not doing that. Started on the seat belts interior. Need seat belts for MLT, so I've got these 2 to do. Don't know about doing the backs yet. I might leave the backs out for a bit. I think if they're not fitted, you ain't got to do it. Alan's finishing up the wiring on the push start. And yeah, ticking along. Bosch, check it out. One seatbelt and t'other one. Can't see it, it's a bit dark, but believe me, he's there. We are getting Lego. Interior's still a bit of a mess, but we'll finish. Okay, all that plus this, it's gotta go in there. Dashboard, pretty much in, but see the glove box, all underneath that, the surround around the indicators and stuff, it's all there. Let's do it. We have a complete Skyline almost. Check it out. Most of the dash is in. This won't clip up properly for some reason, which is annoying. The push start's on the bottom bit of the plastic steering wheel thingy, and there's a top bit got to go on yet. Glove boxes, all that's in. Got the radio put in. Obviously tidy up the ECU stuff, finish the wideband stuff off. Got the seat belts in. But yeah, doesn't seem like we've done a lot today, but I've been here most of the day pretty much, and it's one step closer to the MOT. But yeah, that is that for today. There you go, my friends. That's me back home now anyway. I almost forgot to finish the video. Not the greatest video. I mean, it's interior. How exciting can fit an interior? And what am I going to do? Record me putting a panel in, fitting seat belts. But did it. We're home. Not sure what's next. I think we've been messing around with the grey one. Obviously, we've got to wait till next Saturday to get up the garage. So, driveway with the grey one. Like and subscribe to the channel if you like what's going down. Let me know in the comment section what you're thinking, what you're saying, and I'll catch you next one, guys. Take it easy.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind.